Good morning. We're back here, and we're back with another Iver Johnson video. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you a better way and a way to replace your mainspring and your mainspring strut, and also the pin, and the best way that I have found. So we'll start off here, and I know I showed you how to do this with a pair of needle nose pliers, and it's not always absolute. So what we'll do, we'll cop the receiver here. As you can see, the mainspring strut sticking out through here. And the best way to do this, I found, is with a pair of inside snap ring pliers, and turn them backwards. Now these are about 3/32 in diameter, and that's all you need to make this happen. The needle nose pliers put this adjustment wedge at an angle which made it too hard to get back in there, and you saw me fumble around with it. So we got it cocked. We'll stick our snap ring pliers in here. And we've got those engaged. Now, you'll bring your hammer forward, and you want to push it forward past the safety notch on your hammer, like that, because you need all the slack you can get, especially whenever you're going back in with this. All right? Okay, so we'll just pull this out like this. And now, we're going to take this over to the drill press. We've got this tool that we have made. There's a 1/2 inch outside diameter piece of tubing with a 1/2 inch inside diameter locking collar. And it's the easiest way I have found to do this, and also on the drill press. Now you can do it on a vise, or perhaps you could do it on your single stage reloading press. All right, now come on over here and we'll get going on this. So you take your mainspring and your strut, and actually we'll just take the pliers off because we do not need them. We'll put this in this little vise. Like that. And you want to turn your adjustment wedge 90 degrees, like that. Now you'll take your little tool that you've made. You can probably make one, you might want to find out a different way of doing it. You'll probably find a better way. So you'll want to retract your lugs on your chuck. So you've got a flat area, like this. All right, so now you're going to push down on this and remove the pin. Okay, see how far the spring sticks up above where your hole, where your pin is? So you're going to have to retract that spring 5/8 of an inch in order to get your retaining pin back in there. Also, the hole for your retaining pin, that's going to be 5/64, and that is the same size as your trigger pin right here. So 5/64 for your retaining pin and your trigger pin. So now, let's pretend like you got an Iver Johnson that doesn't even have this, but you do have the parts. But they're separated, they're not put together. But you've got to put this your adjustment wedge on and your retaining pin in. And here's the best way I have found to do it. Also, I'd like to back up, and now you can cheat this. Now, when these struts come to you, or even on an existing Iver Johnson, they're straight. So you want to bevel the edge here, because that's going to help you to insert this wedge under spring pressure. Okay? All right. So let's get on with this, and I hope that I can do this without messing up. But I've told you before that, you know, you're going to see my failures also. So we'll put our spring on here like this. And I think let's lower this table a little bit. All right, so now you'll take your wedge and your tool. And remember, your pinhole is going to be facing you like this. So put this over here like this, with your notch indexed to where your pinhole is going to be, okay? Okay, we got this. I'm really having trouble with this. All right, let's start over here. I'm crooked. All right, do you see what I mean?
You're all right. I mean... bit of a trick to it.
This is really not working out for me.
There's a bit of a trick to it, is all, though. No biggie.
We're going to have to keep on going.
Well, you will get it. You have gotten it. This way. Under it. You're not under it.
let's just cut this. Can we edit this out?